I was born in Year of Ox. Was it my destiny to become the beef lover? Most of my favorite food use beef as the main ingredients, such as bulalo soup, sukiyaki, Japanese-style yakiniku, beef curry, and of course the beef steak. Today we're cooking sirloin cut with lots of marble. We cook our steak very simple, season lightly with salt and pepper, and just put on the griller. Please enjoy watching the steak grilled to perfection. Each cut of meat is about 250 to 300 grams, hefty size for an average adult serving, but I can eat the whole piece by myself. Time to flip the steak over. Oh, it looks so yummy. If it wasn't for the COVID pandemic, I could have traveled to Sydney last June and eat as much Aussie steak as I wanted. As always, my food is very delicious. There are lots of secret recipes, but nothing is more important than love. Love your food and your food would be good to you. Thank you for watching my channel. Please subscribe and hit the bell button down below. See you next time!